hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 and Honor 9 Lite. Honor 9 Lite sports a Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU. Base variant starts at 11,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant, and that's the one I'm using in this video. The Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant, and I'm using the next variant with 4GB of RAM. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 was 21 seconds faster than Honor 9 Lite, which was mainly because Note 5 was more responsive while switching between apps than Honor 9 Lite. Now let's see how they perform in the regular speed test. Now I'll start the regular speed test where I open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is when compared to the other phone. Surprisingly, in the regular speed test, it's almost a tie. In most of the cases, Honor 9 Lite was faster, but by only few milliseconds. And in some other cases, Redmi Note 5 was also faster. So I think it's a tie in the speed test. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3 GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. Memory management is good on both the phones, but while retrieving apps from memory, Redmi Note 5 was more responsive than the Honor 9 Lite. So on the whole, it's a tie in the speed test and memory management test, but in terms of usage, responsiveness, Redmi Note 5 is the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.